Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about yesterday's Bitcoin crash. If you remember, it happened actually why I was making the video. So now let's clarify the whole thing, what happened exactly, because back then, I was just searching, but really couldn't find the real reason behind it. Then the second thing I'm going to talk about is that according to a bank analyst, SEC will approve Spot Bitcoin ETF to maintain regulatory control over crypto industry. So that could be a plus next to approval. And then I'm going to talk about that Solana wallet drain activity has actually increased and what's happening in the background. And because there are drainer communities, crazy. One of the community has more than 6,000 members. So let's talk about that as well. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day, I bring you the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you don't want to miss a single thing, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's start it. Okay, and when we look at the market, as we usually start, we can see that actually Bitcoin recovered quite well. It's 2.3% up. It's 43,393 US dollars. So it's not bad at all, holding itself pretty well. Ethereum 1.5 up, 2,240 US dollars. So even we had this crash yesterday, but it didn't cause any damage in long term. Then we have the top gainers, Beam back 38%, Thea is back 23%, Say is back 20%. So look at these gains, altcoins going up like crazy right now again. And among the losers, XDC Network 5% down, Sats 4%, and MNT down 4%. Yeah, that's it. So quick recovery. And when we're looking at here, there we go. The candlestick chart, we can see that, yes, we had this candle yesterday, this massive one, 10% decrease in Bitcoin price, altcoins even more in an hour. And now as you can see, we came back all the way here. Yesterday we closed at 42,800-ish, and now we continued towards the upside. And let's talk about this, what happened yesterday. Okay, so yesterday we had this massive crash in a very short period of time, as I just showed you. Actually, I can go here on the much shorter one. So when we go here on 50 minutes, then look at this one here. So this was a really quick flash crash. And when we're looking at liquidations, then pretty much, if you're looking at this 12-hour window on the 3rd of January, we had $520 million worth of longs liquidated. Also, 76 million in shorts as well. So actually in both ways. And the main reason behind this was the article which was spread in different kind of media, which is all about that SEC will reject all Bitcoin spot ETFs in January, and this was said by Matrix Sport analyst. And this was the scary one. And then we should do a quick research about it. And who is Matrix Sport, right? It's a good question, because they came out with an article, a bullish article, that SEC approval imminent, and then on the same day with the bearish one, that SEC rejection imminent. And that's really crazy. And guess what? Which one the media picked up? Obviously the bearish one. And the guy behind Matrix Sport, the founder is Yan Wu. here is the guy. And, you know, interestingly, he was back then a big supporter of Bitcoin Cash and participated in the block size war back in 2017. And now the same guy is behind Matrix Port as well. So when it comes to the source where this has come from, and actually publishing an article saying bearish things and then bullish and then bearish things. But this is how this whole crypto media works, because then somebody spreads something bad. If you remember the article when the fake Bitcoin Spot ETF approval news came out, Bitcoin went up and then it just died, and it was like by Cointelegraph, if I remember well. The article was made, and then they apologized, but a lot of positions were liquidated because of that. Now we had, you know, another kind of FUD, and this is always happening. So you actually can make sure that when there is a long-awaited situation, just like now, this Bitcoin Spot ETF approval, where the window is between today, the 4th of January, and 10th of January, you have to be really careful, because lots of FUD coming out. It spread very quick on social media, on X and many other platforms. A lot of articles coming out, and then people pick it up, and it can be either bullish or bearish, but maybe it's a fake thing. So be very careful with leverage and all these kind of things, because yesterday a lot of positions were liquidated. So, but this was the reason, and actually it happened why I was making the video. So yeah, that was crazy. Good. Second news is all about that SEC will approve Spot Bitcoin ETF to maintain the regulatory control over crypto industry, and this is what analysts are saying. So get a bit more into this. Okay, so here we have investment bank TD Cowen, and they predict actually that the SEC now in January until the 10th of January, we're going to see it pretty soon, will approve the Bitcoin Spot ETF, and they're going to do it because they have to maintain regulatory control over crypto industry. And they're saying, so the bank analyst believes that the SEC needs to cement its role as a crypto regulator before Congress consider broader crypto legislations. And yeah, they said here that to us, this is political necessity, as the agency needs to cement its role as a crypto regulator. What I just said before. And they're saying that we also believe that the agency does not want to lose a legal challenge to its refusal to approve Bitcoin ETFs. This is what they said. They had this thing with Grayscale, that Grayscale wanted to turn their Grayscale Bitcoin fund trust, into a Bitcoin Spot ETF. They denied it, and then the judge said, you should really rethink it. So basically, Gary Gensler and the SEC's position is not that strong. And if they come here to mess up this whole situation, maybe then the Congress will push, then some other regulator should, do this, or they should remove Gary Gensler, or, all these kind of things. Nothing is for sure, but this was the point of this argument by this analyst from the bank. So yeah, it could be, but until it's not approved, we can't see anything. Now it's more likely, but they're saying that it's going to be approved, but it's coming in a couple of days. Don't worry. So until the 10th of January, we have this window. If it's not happening, they say we're not doing it, then it's over. Then the next deadline is coming. Sooner or later, there will be approval. If they cannot approve it, it's maybe they're just waiting for, or they want to crash the market, or, so many things going on. But I'm actually really curious, because this is now on for a month. So really would like to know, as you as well, I guess, the result. But it's coming, I'm sure. Okay, and now, next topic, if I find my cursor, just give me a second. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, so next topic. It's all about that Solana wallet drainer activity has increased. And guess what? There are drainer communities. That's crazy. So let's talk about that. So Solana price, went up. Solana became very popular, and therefore, actually, chain analysis checked here a couple of things, and they found that one of the largest online communities devoted to just one popular Solana wallet, the Drainer Kit, has more than 6,000 members according to them. So basically, there are Drainer kits. That's crazy. Look. Also, Russia's links to a small community of developers offering Drainer Kit for sale, with the documentation often in Russian. So basically, there are communities, and they buying this Drainer Kit for, it's cost like starts from $250 per month, something like that. Where is that? Anyway, it's somewhere in the article. I do remember. Anyway, and then basically they do these kind of bad things. Stealing your crypto. So please always make sure that the website you connecting your wallet is legit. First of all, I would say that you should have cold wallet, cold storage, where you keep your more valuable crypto, Bitcoin and some of the others. And, if you really want to do these kind of things, claim, free crypto or airdrops or whatever, then just use separate wallet, which is not connected your main funds. Because what people do, I buy a cold storage wallet and I'm using just one wallet and use it for everything. And when they connect it to a wrong website, then their crypto is stolen. And these activities increased significantly recently. So it's very, very dangerous. Please be aware of it and be safe. Right. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day, I bring this fresh cryptocurrency blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, don't forget, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.